all, welcome back to the SPD Blossom. So today I'm here with my EnvyBox for the month of May, and it's all a sea theme this month with all beautiful star fishes and seashells. And let me just open it and see what we have got. I see my nail polish matches with this theme, so it's really pretty. And even inside this you have this shells and starfishes. It's so pretty. And we have couple of cards here. Let us see the first one. It says protect your skin, UV protection. So we have something related to skin sunscreen. So yes, we have something from Care. We'll keep that aside. And I really love this one, and this one is Resort Edition May Beauty Box, and this month we have all these products listed here. First thing is a makeup product which is from the brand called Ellen Blue. This is a precision liquid eyeliner which is in shade Ebony Black, and let's see what it says. So it says it's of 499 rupees, and this is of 2.5 ml. So it says it brings you the precision eyeliner with a weightless formula to wing those lashes any way you like. It's quick dry, waterproof formula, glides on seamlessly to prevent tugging, and has a gloss liquid like finish that won't smudge or budge all day. Let's see how it works. But okay, so it's easy to apply. It's, as it says, it's like a kind of glossy finish, and it's easy to apply. You can, yes, this is the first product what we have. Next one I see is from the brand called Plump, and this is a vitamin C serum. It's a big bottle of vitamin C serum. It's a daily dose of vitamin C to boost collagen and skin elasticity. This is a 50 ml product, and this one retails at 950 rupees. And let's see what it says on the card. But it also comes with a dropper, so it's really nice. It's a big bottle. It's packed with nutrients to brighten the skin and prevent common signs of aging. Daily dose of the serum boosts collagen and elasticity. I've wanted to try Plump skincare. It's more raved these days. So let's see. It's a natural skincare, so it does not have any chemicals, and it is paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free as well. And this one has key ingredients as a soluble vitamin C, orange essential oil, lemon essential oil, bergamot, lemongrass, and vitamin C. I feel it smells nice if it has lemongrass. In the dropper like this, and this is very nice consistency and smells like lemongrass. I love the fragrance of lemongrass. I am going to surely love this one. So this is the second product of the box. And the next one I see is this Plant Magic Natural Hair Vitalizer with plant bioactives. This controls dandruff and hair loss. It's of 100 ml product, and this comes in this kind of packaging. It doesn't have a dropper. You can put it out directly. Actually, on their Instagram page and on the EnvyBox website, they have shown a full size bottle. So I was quite feeling that it will be a big size, but they gave 100 ml product. I think it's a small size. So it says it's a natural hair vitalizer enriched with goodness of Centella asiatic extract, which eliminates microbial infections of the scalp and helps to get rid of itching. It keeps hair and scalp healthy and dandruff free. It's a non-sticky leave-on oil, controls hair fall and dandruff. You also have an offer which is flat 20% off if you want to buy something from their brand. You can use this code GIFTBOX01, and it's valid till 31st July 2018. So that's our next product. Last one from the box is this Sun Shield Face Sunscreen SPF 50 from Care, and this comes in this kind of dispenser packaging. It's really nice. Oh my god, it's so expensive, 895 rupees. And Care products are natural or chemical free and cruelty free as well. And this is really nice that it has SPF 50. When you want to go outdoors, especially in this harsh summers, you can definitely use this. It's without silicone, so it makes sure that it doesn't clog your pores and allows the skin to breathe. With its super light texture, it's quickly absorbed and ensures both a matte finish and non-greasy touch. So that's of 895 rupees. That's the last product. This offer in Mother's Day, if you go for 1 month or any subscription for the EnvyBox, you can get this Cocoon Insta Lift Wrinkle Filler with vitamin A. So I have already tried their night serum. I really like it from Cocoon. So this is their Insta Lift Wrinkle Filler, which is of 999 rupees. So it's manufactured in 2016. Let's see what's the expiry date. So it says use before 36 months, so we have 1 more year to use, and it has all the details here, and it also says how to use it. You have to lightly pat a small amount over wrinkles and fine lines. You can be used under makeup, reapply after 4 to 6 hours. So I think I can give it to my mom. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute, classy. So this is the wrinkle filler with vitamin E. Packaging is so classy and pretty. So yes, this is the free product I've got of 9.99 rupees. This is all I've got in this month's of EnvyBox Resort Edition, and I have got products worth of 3,200 plus. I add this cost, I get products around 4,300 for 1 month box. I really am impressed with this box because I get products worth of 5 times the money I paid for the box, and I'm really excited to try this one to my mom. I'll give it to my mom. I want to try this, but I don't have any wrinkles, so I'll give it to my mom, but I'm excited to try this one. So yes, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of the fam. Thanks all. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.